Hello friends, welcome to the video. Today we are discussing about ordinary differential equations. So it is very important concept of mathematics. It has wide range of applications in real life as well as it has wide range of applications in engineering branches. So we are using differential equations in fluid mechanics, in the construction area, in circuit problems. So it is having a lot of applications. So let us discuss and understand what are the differential equations, what are the types of differential equations, and how to find order and degree of a differential equation. So ordinary differential equations. Before going to ordinary differential equation, let us understand what are the differential equations. So just I wanted to explain some basic concept. So usually we know that y is equals to f of x. Here y is a function of x. Then function of x means it may be exponential function, it may be algebraic function, or it may be trigonometric function, whatever it may be. So let us consider f of x is equals to, let us consider f of x equals to x square. Yeah, f of x equals to x square. It means that when you give some x values, let us consider x value 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we need to find corresponding y values. So our function is x square. When x is equals to 0, what is our y? So y value, because y is a function of x and our function is x square. Okay, x square means 0 square. 0 square gives 0. Means when x is 0, y value is also 0. Then you go for next value when x equals to 1. So when x is equals to 1, so y value is 1 square, that is 1. Then when x equals to 2, what is y? Y is 2 square, it means 4. Then similarly, so when x is 3, our y value is 9. 3 square is 9. So now you see we are used here x values 0, 1, 2, 3 and we got y values 0, 1, 4, 9. So this is related to the function x square. Okay, means x values were chosen independently and here y values are depending on x values. Then you can say that y is a dependent variable. Y is a dependent variable. Then if you go for f of x means function of x. Here x and y are the variables. Y we are taken as dependent variable and x we are treating as independent variable. Why x is independent variable? Because independently we are choosing some values, x values. Okay, so but y values directly we are not getting. So y values we are getting on the basis of given function. So therefore y is always acts as the dependent variable and x is independent variable. And we know one general notation, dy by dx. What is this notation? This is known as derivative. Usually we will call it as derivative, first order derivative, dy by dx. Here y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Y will come in numerator and x will come in denominator. It means that y value is always depending on the x value. Okay, so here we can call it as rate of change because we are using dy by dx, rate of change of y with respect to x. It is denoted by dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but first order derivative. Similarly we can write means which creates the relation between the dependent variable and independent variable. That is what dy by dx. In the same way we can write second derivative d square y by dx square. Okay, so d square y by dx square is known as second order derivative. Similarly we can write d cube y by dx cube, third order derivative, so on. Means here let us understand easily what is our differential equation. So in general we are writing f of x comma y dash comma y double dash comma y triple dash, so on, equals to 0. Here we already knows. So x is independent variable, y is dependent variable, y dash represents first derivative, y double dash is second derivative, third derivative, so on. Means here the differential equation definition is, the differential equation is nothing but the relation between the independent variable, dependent variable and its derivatives is known as differential equation. Okay, so differential equation means the relation between the dependent variable and independent variable and its derivatives is known as differential equations. Then usually, so differential equations are divided into two parts. So first is ordinary differential equations and the second part is partial differential equations. So differential equations are classified into two ways. First one is ODE. ODE refers ordinary differential equations, and the second one is PDE, means partial differential equations. Then usually in case of ODE, ordinary differential equations, we are using the notation D. D refers total derivative. In partial differential equation we are using the symbol dou. Okay, so these are the notations related to ODE and PDE. Then let us understand what is ordinary differential equation and partial differential equations. Now I am mainly concentrating on ordinary differential equations, but before going to ordinary differential equations, let us see what are the differences between ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. Just see the screen. So I written ordinary differential equations of first order and first degree. Here I am going to discuss about ordinary differential equations of first order and first degree. So y is equals to f of x is the general notation. So y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So I have taken as equation y, equation 1. Then dy by dx represents first derivative, second derivative and third derivative, so on. So this is the general notation of differential equation. The relation between the independent variable, dependent variable, first derivative, second derivative, so on. Okay. Now the differential equation definition I written: an equation involving the independent variable x and the dependent variable y and its derivatives. In other words, the relation between the dependent variables and independent variables is known as differential equation. Then I written a flowchart for differential equation. So differential equations are mainly classified into two types: ordinary differential equations, so we can also write it as ODE in short notation, and second one partial differential equations. It is denoted by PDE. Okay, ODE and PDE. Then what is ODE? So I written definition: a differential equation involving one or more functions of dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable is known as ODE. So let us understand here. A differential equation involving one or more functions of dependent variables with respect to only one independent variable is known as differential equation. And while in case of partial differential equation, the definition is a differential equation involving only one dependent variable with respect to two or more independent variables is known as partial differential equation. Here, to understand the differences, you need to focus on the independent variable. In case of ordinary differential equation, we are having only one independent variable, but in case of partial differential equation, we can get two or more independent variables. So if you get only one independent variable, then we will classify the differential equation as ordinary differential equation. If the differential equation consisting of more than two independent variables, then it will come under partial differential equations. And let us see the notations. I written few examples. So ordinary differential equations, dy by dx equals to 2y by x. Here y is the dependent variable, x is independent variable. So as we know that this equation consisting of only one independent variable, that is x. So I go to the second example. Dy by dx is equals to e power x minus y plus x square into e power minus y. Here y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. We are having only one independent variable, that is x. Go to the third example. So d square y by dx square equals to square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Here also one independent variable and one dependent variable and one independent variable. So this is about ODEs, ordinary differential equations. You go to this part. Here dou square y by dou x square, the name itself, the notation itself is saying it is partial differential equation. It is denoted by the symbol dou. Dou square y by dou x square equals to 1 by c square dou square y by dou t square. So this equation involving how many independent variables? 2, because here the dependent variable is y, but there are two independent variables x and t. Here x and t, there are two independent variables. When you get two or more than two independent variable, then it will come under PDE. You go to the second example. Dou square u by dou x square is equals to 1 by c square into dou u by dou t. Here also we are having two independent variables x and t. So this is known as heat conduction equation. Then third example, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square. Here u is the dependent variable and x and y are the two independent variables. So here two independent variable means of course it is a partial differential equation. Then let us see what is order and degree of the differential equation. So it is very important. So for many competitive exams they are asking what is the order and degree of given differential equations. Maybe for 2 marks also they may ask. So let us understand the order. Order of the highest order derivative involved in the differential equation is called as order of the differential equation. Order means the order of the highest order derivative involved in a differential equation is called the order of the differential equation. Let's see degree definition. Degree is the degree of a differential equation is the highest degree of the highest order derivative which occurs in it. So you need to understand here degree of the highest order derivative. means to find the order as well as degree, you need to focus on highest order derivatives occurs in the differential equation. So let us try to understand with few examples. Let us go to the first example. So here first example is x square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 2xy equals to 4x square. Here it involves only one derivative, dy by dx, and dy by dx is known as first order derivative. Then here first order derivative means here order is 1 and go for degree. Degree is nothing but power of the highest order derivative. So which consists of only one derivative of first order and its power is 1. Therefore we can say degree is 1 and order is also 1. Go to the second example. X into d square y by dx square minus 2x minus 1 dy by dx plus x minus 1 into y equals to e power x. This is one differential equation. Here it consists of d square y by dx square second order derivative and dy by dx, this is first order derivative. So if you compare these two, the highest order derivative is d square y by dx square. Then here what is the order? Order is 2. So order of this differential equation is 2, and the degree, power of highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is d square y by dx square and its power is 1. Therefore order is 2 and degree is 1. Okay. So go to third example. Y equals to x into dy by dx plus square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. When you get whole square, that is square root or cube root, fractions, then you need to take care while deciding its order and degree due to fractions. So if you get fractions or square roots or cube roots, then it is somewhat difficult to identify very quickly what is the order and degree. So this expression containing a square root, so for that you make it squaring on both sides. If you do squaring on both sides, then LHS side y square equals to x square dy by dx whole square plus square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square, so whole power 2. Okay. Then here square root and square cancels, then the remaining term is y square equals to x square into dy by dx whole square plus 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Then what is the highest order derivative? Dy by dx, dy by dx, both are first order derivatives. Therefore order is 1. What about degree? So degree of the differential equation is 2. So both are first order derivatives and both are having power 2. Therefore degree 2 and order 1. Go to the next example. Fourth one, given differential equation is a into d square y by dx square is equals to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2. So it consists of fraction 3 by 2. Hence you make it squaring on both sides. Then your given expression becomes a square into d square y by dx square whole square. RHS expression becomes 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3 by 2 into 2. When you do squaring on both sides, then you are getting 3 into 2. Then here 2 cancels, you are getting a square d square y by dx square whole power 2 is equals to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power 3. Then you identify highest order derivative here. What is this? Dy by dx. Dy by dx represents first order, and LHS side you are having d square y by dx square. Then highest order is this one, d square y by dx square. Therefore here order is 2. Then what about degree? So highest order derivative, its power is 2, hence the degree is 2 and order is also 2. So this is the method of identifying order and degree of differential equation. Mainly here we need to understand what is the differential equation, types of differential equations, and how to identify order and degree of the differential equation. Thank you for watching the video.